Like, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Look, it's your pal Joey Malone, and I'm here to tell you some things you can do. Easy little simple things you can do here and there. You know, spice up the quality of you and your significant other's love life. In order to do this, I'm gonna incorporate the help of my animated pal, a Mr. Garlic Pizza Box. Hey, Mr. Garlic.
Hey there! How you doing today, Joey?
I'm doing pretty good there, Mr. Pizza Box. How you doing?
Joey, I'm doing great, but I've been having some problems lately.
Oh yeah, Mr. Pizza Box. What kind of problems you been having? Tell me about it.
Well, Joey, there's this broad I really like, but I can't seem to get her to talk to me.
Well, Mr. Pizza, it's real simple. There's an easy way to correct that kind of a problem. You just go up to it, right? And you show your favorite your skin there, You say, hey, look at that. Wow. Hey, check this out. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Don't you want to do that? Don't you want to do that? Hey, now, just keep showing that, Don't let her see the pages, the ones that are stuck together, and those are the turn on for the ladies.
Okay, you're doing that. That's just so far, but what do you do after that?
Well, Mr. Pizza Box, at this point it gets kind of easy, All you gotta do is, take a smoke. Last drag, you don't want to waste it or nothing, and you put it up. And you press down like this, You come on up to the lady's bosom, and you gotta tweak the nipples a little bit, Mr. Pizza Box. That's how you do it. But you keep doing that for a little while, then you wait till she starts making some noises, Then you just jump on her, Yeah, How you like that, bitch? Yeah. Alright. Oh. Yeah. This is about the part you go in the kitchen, you make yourself a sandwich, have a beer, maybe take a nap, Alright.
Wow, Joey, you sure know a lot about women. That's great advice. I'm gonna go use it right now.
Well, Mr. Pizza Box, what I can, Anyways, people, this has been Sex Tips with Joey Malone. Join me next week, where we'll be talking about crabs and, proper maintenance of crabs. Adios.